Michael Jaafar is still with us. Michael, there seems to be so much reasonable doubt here between the phone information, the Google search, how long does it take someone to die from the individual inside the house, the dog bites on the arm, or the injuries on the arm that could be dog. Do you think that at the end of the day the Commonwealth may drop these charges before going to trial? Because it looks like they're going to lose.
I don't think they can at this point. I agree with you that they're probably regretting the charges. I would not be shocked if they have not reached out to the defense counsel to see if they could strike some sort of a plea. But I think both sides, this is a standoff where neither side can flinch at this point. You think about it like this: Karen Read cannot take a plea at this point with what she's done publicly, and she has the defense fund and people supporting her. But the state cannot drop the charges. I agree with you, Ted. I mean, I'm sure they wish they could, but they can't. Let's just say they drop the charges, tomorrow or next week. This will look really, there will be an internal investigation by the FBI into that entire department. People will go to jail from that if they drop the charges, right? There will be an investigation that will span years. Why did you drop these charges after you were accused of covering up a murder by your own police officers of another police officer? Hypothetically speaking, if they drop the charges. So I don't think they have a choice. I think they have to move forward. Like right now, they're fighting this motion, and they're invoking her right of privacy on the messages, which she does. But if it's outweighed in Massachusetts, if it's outweighed by a defendant's right to a fair trial, if a defendant can prove that we need these in order to defend ourselves from a murder charge, the judge can grant it. And even the judge didn't rule on the motions today. She had to take them under advisement, and I'm sure the judge is looking for cover. I'm sure the judge is looking for a clerk in her office to give her the case law, and for her to have a very well thought out, well written opinion one way or the other. The judge cannot win in this case. This is the opposite of the judge earlier with the guy who lunged at her like a pat. That judge was a misdemeanor judge. This judge is actually a felony judge. She's got to make a ruling. It's not going to be good. This whole thing stinks.